Want to unlock the secret to free Uber rides? Let's dive in. But get ready for a reality check. Forget the myths. The simple truth is, you can't just book an Uber for free. Every ride has a fare associated with it, and Uber needs to pay their drivers, so anyone claiming otherwise is probably pulling your virtual leg. Uber fares are calculated based on factors like distance, time, and sometimes demand, otherwise known as surge pricing. Those figures automatically calculate the price for a ride, so you will always see a fare before you book. However, don't lose hope. The good news is that Uber does occasionally provide opportunities for free rides or discounts, and those are usually the result of promotional campaigns. These promotions come in different forms. They can involve things like ride credits, percentage discounts, or referring a friend to get a free ride. You might also have offers on holidays. The key here is to be vigilant. Where can you find these promotions? Navigate your app into the promotions section. Check your email and app notifications regularly. Uber will communicate about the promotions they are offering. Keep your eyes peeled. Free rides are rare but possible. Also, remember to always carefully review the promotions terms and conditions. These can be time sensitive or only work in certain areas. So, while a completely free ride is a unicorn, keep an eye out for those Uber promotions. Good luck and happy riding.